On top sports matter for Edo State, Minister of Youth and Sports Solomon Dalong don call for more support from private sectors dem sake of say im dey see better future for OKPEKPE 10km road race wey just shele for Edo State, as dis one fit help to boost sports development for Nigeria. Solomon Dalong tok dis one for di OKPEKPE 10km road race wey dem just run finish, where im and with State Deputy Governor Philip Shahibu and Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Oge run the VIP race. OKPEKPE 10km road race na one of the sports development plan wey Edo State government get to put Edo State for front for sports matter for we country. Solomon Dalong come here with state government on top their throway body put for the road race, as this 7th edition so don show say better improvements dey for we state on top security, media and community mobilization. Solomon Dalong tok say sports develop for the whole world dey happen sake of say private sectors dey throway body put. E come tell the private sectors dem say dis race na ogbonge opportunity to show wetin dem dey do give the whole world, as e be say e get better audience wey dey watch am. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu come salute the International Association of Athletes Federation (IAAF) sake of say dem don upgrade the OKPEKPE 10km road race to gold label competition. Im say 2019 edition of dis race na im better pass because of the way dem take dey organised. The people wey participate for dis OKPEKPE 10km road race dey for different category, and the winner for the male category of dis 7th edition of OKPEKPE 10km road race na Fikadu Admasu Dawit. Im finish the race for 29 minutes and 3 seconds and he come from Bahrain. The second winner na Berano Shegu. He come from Ethiopia and he finished the race for 29 minutes and 4 seconds. And so we see the tori reach for inside Edo today on top wetin shele for the OKPEKPE 10km road race wey dem just do finish for OKPEKPE town for Edo State. On top all the plans wey we state government get to develop sports for we state, so say they don even upgrade the OKPEKPE 10km road race make e be gold label competition.